How to see hidden apps in Niagara Launcher. What you have to do is long press on the empty space on home screen. You can see various options. Scroll down. Tap on the option Niagara Settings. Once you do that, you'll be able to access various options. Tap on the option Productivity. Scroll down. Find the section for app organization. Tap on this option Hide Apps. Now you'll be able to see all of your hidden apps over here. If you would like to edit it, tap on the option Edit. Once you do that, you can see over here you can uncheck on that particular app in order to unhide the app. Likewise, you can check on the apps that you would like to hide. So like this, you'll be able to see the hidden apps on Niagara Launcher. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.